Arf to you. I'm Lulu, the PC Problem Solving Poodle, and I work in a computer store. Now, if you're a small business that's looking to expand and grow, you have to use social networking. You have to be on Facebook and Twitter minimally. So if you're not, you need to get set up. Remember, there are no bad computers or businesses, just bad human owners. Arf arf.